Okay, so we are back up at the farm, and today's Monday. We had a crazy weekend. I had to work on some other things we've got going on Sunday. Amber had a little conference or sales meeting on Saturday, so I was Mr. Mom. And then she didn't feel good yesterday, even though I had a bunch of stuff going somewhere else. I worked all day somewhere else, and then we took the kids to a little festival. So I didn't make it up here for a video all weekend, but we are here today. It is Monday, and we are back at it. Oklahoma weather is beautiful. It has been since, I think, Thursday of last week. The sun came out, and we're slowly warming up. I think we got up to probably about 70 degrees today. And that means production. So I've got painters working outside now everywhere, and concrete guys and framers, and everybody's happy for the time being, roofers and all the above. So today up at the farm we had concrete guys. We are filling the slab. I ran a plumbing water line over for one of our frost-free hydrants while they were filling the slab. And we've got, since you've seen me last, since you've seen the slab last, we got our plumbing inspection passed. So we are 100% ready to pour, or at least move on to the next phase. We're going to have inspections hopefully tomorrow afternoon, but I'll have to see how we go in the morning. I'll probably still call it in for it in the afternoon, even though the concrete guy's going to kill me. We are tomorrow probably going to put post-tension cables down, and I'll do a whole segment on the theory of post-tension and all that good stuff for anybody that may be wondering if they want to do steel or post-tension. In this application, I don't know that one is much better than the other than the obvious science behind post-tension. So anyways, that's for maybe tomorrow's video. So what I'm going to do is turn the camera around and kind of show you what we got done today, and then I took a bunch of kind of B-roll footage of the guys working today and doing all that, so I'll roll in some of that after I kind of go through what all got done. All right, so we filled the slab today. We had 10 loads of fill sand ordered today, and so this entire slab out in the field got filled up to 4 inches shy of the top of that form board there. So we run string lines, and we create a grid pattern essentially with the string, so we know that we probably do that about every 4 feet, so that we know that everything's set up to be 4 inches below, and it's a consistent pour. And then we pour monolithically, and so what that means is our slab is going to fold down to the footing, and this rebar is coming up out of the footing, which will tie the slab to the foundation. And then all of this area here will be solid concrete. And then what you see here are bond beams, and that's part of the engineered post-tension cable plan. We put those in for strength in the slab, and cables will lay in through there as well. So here is all of our cables that were delivered, and chairs, and then we get sent a cable plan, which the concrete guys left out, so I'll get to pick that up before I get out of here. I'm super late for a planning commission meeting, but oh well, it's volunteer. So you can see we left our spot piers for our posts exposed, so that our slab goes all the way down and touches those as well. What to show you next? Oh, right here you can see they left out their plate compactor. I'll try to get up here in the morning and get some footage of that, because this is a little extra step that you're not going to see a lot of guys do, in the residential world. It happens everywhere in the commercial world. This concrete subcontractor is a pretty good blend of both, and I really like that they take this extra step right here. They're going to run that plate compactor all over the entire slab, and what that'll do is really tighten the soil underneath. This is a sandy loam fill. It'll tighten it up. We'll add back to what we need to add to it and then do it again. So that's most of the time in residential construction, what you see right here, uncompacted, is what you're going to get and what most guys will just go ahead and pour. Whereas we haven't even ran that plate compactor yet, and that'll be a nice little finishing touch there. Let's see here. Let's go over here and show you what we did. What I did with the plumbing line. I know we've talked about it a couple of times, but so here is our plumbing line for our frost-free hydrant. Originally we were going to put it over there in the middle. Actually, I was going to do two. I was going to do one there and one up there. I still might do two. I'm still probably going to take another loop and loop from that one and loop to the middle, just so it's not so inconvenient. You don't have hose drug out everywhere for no more than $50 right now. Save a lot of headache in the future. What we're going to end up doing here is putting a form board right on this side of the rebar. That'll come up, and I'm going to do a block out right around this. That's at least a 12 by 12 block out. That way we can dig that down, because I think those frost-free hydrants go 2 to 3 feet in the ground. We can take some post hole diggers and dig that down, make the connection, fill it with gravel, put the hydrant in, and then backfill it with concrete if we want to, or just leave it filled all the way up to with gravel. It doesn't really matter either way. We'll just do whatever we need to do there. So anyways, that's kind of what happened today. I'll try to be back up here making videos more often now that this thing's hopefully rocking and rolling. I think the goal is to have a slab by Thursday. Maybe get framers started on it by the end of the week or the first of next. I'm going to be ordering, windows are ordered. Going to be ordering metal tomorrow. Roof trusses are ordered. So literally we're ready to rock and roll once this thing gets done. So I'm going to try to get this into our, to edit tonight so that we can all see it tomorrow. So tomorrow morning we'll be back up here and be getting back after it. The concrete guys will be laying out all the cables according to the engineered cable plan provided by our cable manufacturer, and we will go from there. So until next time, we'll see you up on the ridge.